In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications on your Coinbase mobile app permanently. So if you're getting distracted from pop-up notifications on Coinbase, then let me show you how you can stop them. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, to stop Coinbase pop-up notifications permanently, first we need to access the Coinbase info page. Now, there are two ways you can achieve this. In the first method, go to Settings, and then under Settings, look for the option called Apps. And I have my apps here. Then under this, select Manage Apps or All Apps. Now, this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now, go through them until you find Coinbase app. And as you can see, mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you see we have the info page here. Alternatively, to get to info page, there is a shortcut method, and let me show you. From your Coinbase app, just go ahead and long press on it. And now you can see we have app info, which is this. Go ahead and tap on it. And then this will take us to the same page. Now under this, scroll down until you see the option called notifications. Currently, you can see it is turned to yes. To turn it off, go ahead and tap on it. And here we have a lot of notifications that have been turned on. And this is the reason why you are receiving a lot of pop-up notifications. To turn them off, just go ahead and toggle off this show notifications and make sure it is turned off. And now you will never again see pop-up notifications from your Coinbase app. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications from Coinbase app permanently on your Android smartphone. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.